ऐसा क्यों है? ऐसा क्यों है? मतलब जो भी ये लाइक वुंड्स हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल
मैस्कुलिन फेमिनिन में क्यों है?
हाँ,
मैं बताती हूँ। ये जो है ना हमारी एनर्जीज हैं, राइट? फियर, इनसिक्योरिटी, डोमिनेंस, एग्रेशन, लेजीनेस, ये हमारी एनर्जीज हैं, राइट? And they translate or they are expressed as emotions. Emotion is nothing but energy in motion. Okay. Now, हमारे 7 chakras हैं. And हमारे chakras हमारी energy generators are. That means they're generating energy. Each chakra is designed to produce certain energy. So when we look at the 7 chakras that are embodied in the human body, there are 3 masculine chakras, there are 3 feminine, and the 7th chakra is neutral, the crown.
Oh.
So
Neutron.
the root chakra
Neutron?
is
Neutron?
neutral. It's connected, yeah. Neutron, yeah. It's holding, no?
Yeah, neutron, yeah.
Yeah. So we start with the root. The root is a masculine chakra, right? And when it's balanced, it is the container of our entire body. Our roots create our fruits. So it is holding our entire energy field down into and it grounds us. People with a weak root chakra cannot take a stand for themselves because their lower body is weak. So they can't stand up as a man. They feel like dar lagta hai to stand up, to voice their opinion. So our root chakra, our solar plexus. Our solar plexus is for personal power here. It's a fire energy. And our throat are masculine chakras. Expression is a masculine energy, strength.
Okay.
I'm speaking my truth. I'm vocal about it, right? So these are 3 masculine chakras. Our sacral chakra, our heart chakra. So our sacral chakra is water energy, flow, flexibility, flowing with life. It's more feminine. Our heart chakra is air energy, again flowing and feminine. When you look at the elements also, right? And our third eye are feminine. So 3 masculine and 3 feminine, okay? And these energies, when these chakras are not nurtured in our childhood through nurturance, touch, love and belongingness, they get imbalanced. And these are the wounded chakras that are creating wounded energy that become wounded emotions. Is that making sense?
Absolutely.
So it was my mother's responsibility to nurture my feminine chakras so that they could grow, because chakras develop from the 0 to 7 years, first 7 years of age. The first chakra at the first year, the second chakra at the second year, the third chakra at the third year, and so on and so forth. Okay? We carry all our daddy wounds in our root chakra. So if you're feeling a lot of fear and insecurity about survival, your root chakra is about survival issues. पैसों का डर है, insecurity है, you cannot speak up for yourself, you cannot stand up for yourself. All these are masculine wounds. Yeah? And they are coming from our father. And not directly from your father. Sometimes, like my mother was very masculine in nature. So I took all of my masculine wounds from her because she got it from her father. So it's also ancestral generational trauma. Is that making sense?
Yeah, absolutely.
Right?
Absolutely.
So
carry forward.
That's why I said this is gaji buji, to understand this. No, जरूरी नहीं है कि वो daddy wound daddy से ही आया है. हो सकता है मम्मी के daddy से आया है.
बिल्कुल.
But वो masculine है in nature. Right? Now, so my root chakra is when it's wounded.
One question. So can I say that instead of saying as a mother wound or a father wound, I would replace it as a masculine wound or a feminine wound?
Yes.
Because when I say like father wound, I'm bound to reach out to my father कि आपकी तरफ से आया. Versus it can be from the mother side as well because of her masculine energy.
Yes. So that's why we like to use the word daddy wounds and mummy wounds, but at the core of it, it's masculine, feminine.
बिल्कुल.
Right? Because our nurturance of our masculine side happened from our father.
Yeah.
Maybe the wound came from my mother and went there. Right? Now, we'll start with the root chakra. We'll just generally talk about it. So whenever I'm fearful, I'm insecure about money, roti, kapda or makan, insecure about not feeling, people won't love me, people won't accept me for who I am, and becomes a survival issue, that's a root chakra distortion. Our second chakra and the root chakra is earth energy. Now, what is the quality of earth? Solid, grounded, like a mountain, unmovable. So if you have a healthy root, no matter how much the storms are outside, it will not shake you up.
Unshakable.
So that's a father, healthy masculine. The second chakra is the feminine chakra, water energy, right? The sacral. Now here, this chakra is all about our relationship and connection to self and connection to others. So if you have issues like, I don't deserve money, I don't deserve good things, my connection with myself is distorted, my connection with others is always triggered. That's a water energy wound. Or if I'm not flexible, water is, by nature, how is water? Flowy.
Flowy.
It doesn't get stuck. But if I'm very rigid and stuck in my own point of view, the energy is stagnated here. It's a feminine wound. Mother wound, we would call it. Right? So we finished earth, root chakra. Second is water, the element. Right? That's the mother wound. So a healthy sacral chakra would be like, I'm very flowing with life. I'm connected to people. I find people safe. I find life safe. I'm not finding a threat with anyone. I deserve.
I can trust people easily.
Yeah, trust comes with the throat chakra.
Oh.
This is about deservability and connection, not trust.
Acceptability?
Yes. I deserve love. People will love me for who I am. I feel connection. I don't feel disconnected. That's a healthy feminine chakra, the second one. Then the third chakra is the solar plexus, which is the fire energy. So at the age of 1, let me talk about the lower 3 chakras, okay? At the age of 1, what is important for me is my physical survival needs.
The root chakra.
Yeah. मेरे लिए वही ज़रूरी है.
सही बात है.
फिर जैसे मैं 2 years की बनती हूँ और हम बड़े बनते हैं, हमको connections चाहिए, deservability, worthiness चाहिए. I want to feel belonged to the world. At the age of 2, a child does everything, all the drama to feel belong, to be seen.
To get noticed.
To get noticed.
Yeah.
Right? Connection, building connections. That becomes important. Now, that's the mother-father connection. At the third is, you see a 3-year-old child, वो suddenly ना उसका I आ जाता है, individuality. It'll start taking its own name. कि रमोन को ऐसे करना है, वो मैं नहीं बोले. That is where the sense of identity is coming. The ego is being born. The fire energy, the inner fire, the personal power. This chakra is about being in your power and being in control of my choices and my emotions. And at the age of 3, for example, I'll give you a small example. Let's say a child is very bubbly and उसको ना yellow shoes पहने green निकर के साथ. अब उसकी choice है, वो creative है, yellow and green पहना. अब मम्मी ने आके बोल दिया तुम नहीं पहन सकते. The child picks up a message, in my life, I don't have control and power over my own choices.
A 3-year-old thinks that way.
And because every time a child's needs are not met, parents are taking away his power. So let's say, for example, you want to say no for an ice cream. Don't say no. Say it see, children are playful. Say it in a creative way. Educate your child. बोलो के and give the child consequences. आप ice cream खाओगे, दांत खराब हो जाएंगे. अब आप choose कर लो. But we cannot make a child. We were actually made to feel like we live in a universe of consequences. Table पे चढ़ोगे गिर जाओगे, उधर जाओगे ये हो जाएगा, ऐसे मत करो वो हो जाएगा, पानी मत पियो बीमार पड़ जाओगे, आइसक्रीम मत खाओ दान. You understand? That's all we heard. Today, when we are grown up and we want to take action in our life, we are scared.
Yeah.
Every time you want to venture out for a new business, rather than the positive thoughts, negative come, ye ho jayega, wo ho jayega. Where is all this coming from? From the programming of our power taken away.
Bilkul.
So the third chakra is about our personal power. And when this is balanced, we never ever allow other people to overpower us and our choices. But we don't even want to control people. As a wounded masculine chakra, this is a masculine chakra, when it's wounded, we always want to dominate my way or highway, or we want to get dominated. We are getting dominated by someone. Either we are controlling or they're controlling. And this gives, an extreme wound here gives birth to the narcissist traits. There's a lot of judgment for narcissists, but when I look at them from the standpoint of psychology, I really feel sorry. It's just that they're not aware of the pain they've gone through to become that person, right? So as we move up, the heart chakra is the air energy. Now, what is the karma of air? Again?
Flow.
Yeah, but unlike water. Flow more freely.
More freely, absolutely.
You understand? It's more free than, it's more lighter than water. So the heart chakra is the air energy.